Hey guys, and welcome to another episode. I'm doing a chin mount today. I'll put a link in the description below. Picked up the chin mount for my K1. So what we're going to do is install the chin mount. I'll show you what it requires. Pretty straightforward. They also do send you the tether as well as the model specific chin mount unit to go on your helmet. So make sure you do get the right way around, and it should pretty much be molded perfect. You send you with an alcohol wipe, grab the alcohol wipe, clean the chin bar and off to the side. I put mine over this side so that my tether, because obviously camera or anything on the other side. If you haven't liked and subscribed, now's the opportunity to do that. I have another bunch of videos coming up. Got a Cena unit coming, so stay tuned for that, as well as a number of other things coming along. Do an update on the CB build as well for you guys, so stay tuned. I apologise, things have been pretty chaotic, so I haven't had an opportunity to get in touch with you earlier. So whilst that dries, I'm just going to grab my heat gun to warm up the gel, the double-sided tape to apply it. My weapon of choice is my Kabak from my electrician days. Whilst that's still drying, so we just got to be. You could use just a heat gun, not to be too rough, it's more just to make it pliable. Right, so make sure the writing, you understand the form. So on this one, my chin mount is written on the right side. Line it up, push it down firm. Now they do advise you leave it for 24 hours before obviously putting your GoPro and stuff, just to let all of that adhesive set as such. They do provide you with, again, a tether and double-sided tape. So with the tether, I'm actually surprised this particular helmet doesn't seem to really want to, the surface is too rounded. So again, that is an optional. The main thing is that the chin mount actually sits right. It's obviously sitting at the chin, and then you work out when you're actually mounting the unit itself. Obviously I can't demonstrate because GoPro's recording this, but you choose whether you're going to spin. We'll actually get one of the, so you can choose to mount it that way, so it slides down on it, or you can choose, some people mount it so that it slides up. Now I feel more comfortable sliding mine down, so you've got gravity providing you with that extra bit, and if you use the GoPro ones, they actually also put a split, and that spreads it to make it so it won't come open. Anyway, that's pretty much the unit. Like I say, I wouldn't say go riding or put too much stress on this at this point, and let it sit for the 24 hours. As I'm going to the Cena system for my bikes, I've got a Cena unit, main unit, and then also another cradle as such, so both my helmets will have the Cena headset in it, and then I will just maneuver the unit to whichever one I'm using at the time, which will keep consistency for myself and reduce how many Bluetooth things I have floating in my phone. So that's been purchased by me, not sponsored or anything. I did say before if people were interested, because I've been a fan of these non-main branded units, but now I'm getting into mesh and looking at what that has to offer. So I'll do a bit of a review on mesh 2.0, looking at other units, pairing in these ones into it. So my father will probably use one of these ones on his helmet via Bluetooth to my Cena, and again, using the Cena, it's a little bit more universal to being able to pair in these, where I haven't had success going across my other units. So that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. If you've liked it, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I do apologise, it has been a long time in the workings. I've had a bit of a break, I've had a lot going on. So stay tuned, got plenty coming through, and I'm hoping to reduce a couple of these and do more consistent, quicker posts and keep you guys in the loop. So thanks again for watching and have a good one. See you on the next one.